Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the February RoccaBox. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you are all having a fabulous day. So today's video we are going to be unboxing the February RoccaBox. Let's get this open. So this costs £15 per month. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper it gets. So it's £15 per month if you do monthly. If you go up to 12 months subscription, it reduces it to £13. I have a link, I'll pop it down in the information box below. That will get you 25% of your first box, I think, but click it and it'll tell you once you get on there. I'd hate to give you the wrong information, but yeah, here is the box. Open it on up. We have the edit card and it has a QR code, so we can go and scan that and look at all the details on the products in the box, but it has a little picture of what is in here. So yeah, I'm just going to lift everything up and we'll have a sneak peek. There we go, there is a sneak peek there. Yeah, let's just jump straight in here to say exactly what we've got. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So quickly, just back to the edit card. This edit is called L.O.V.E and it has a value of £115. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Benefit and this is the Professional Good Clean Up Foaming Cleanser. It's a deluxe mini, which is 19ml and has a value of £3.69. It just says it's created to help minimise pores, but still suitable for all skin types, even most sensitive ones. This product removes impurities while visibly decongesting the pores, leaving it a smoother, clearer feeling complexion. Nice, and nice brand as well. Oh, let's have a look. I'm not gonna fully unseal the product, but we'll just have a nosy. Oh my god, that's so cute. This is tin. That is very cute and it is so nice to get something from Benefit and something that I've never tried from Benefit before, so that's awesome. The second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro and it's 2% hyaluronic acid hydrating daily serum. It's a full size product at 30ml and it has a value of £10, so that's a great affordable price. If there's a one all-rounder ingredient we would always want to include in a skincare routine, it would be hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid particles hold up 1,000 times their weight in water, making it the perfect way to lock in moisture in the skin, keeping it looking nourished and smooth. This product in particular is non-synthetic and naturally derived from soybean, yielding the benefits of deep hydration to promote healthier, more subtle skin. Yeah, cool. I love this brand. I think they're more famously known for their face masks, so it's really nice to get something different by this brand in a beauty box. So this gets a big plus from me. I love their packaging as well. Their skin care is always nice and simple yet colourful, eye-catching. I'm sure I've used this before and if it is the one I'm thinking about, I really like it. But hyaluronic acid altogether, I love it. Yeah, my skin definitely needs moisturise and a lot of plumping. Third product in the box, you're going to get one of a possible 2 items, but the brand is Doctor's Formula, which is one of my favourite brands out there. So you're either going to get the Doctor's Formula Body Bliss Pure Japanese Camellia No Mark Oil 100ml full size with a value of £59, or you're going to get the Doctor's Formula Body Bliss Skin Tightening Serum 100ml full size product, again £59. So the one I have received is this one. So this is the Pure Japanese Camellia No Mark Oil. A luxurious body oil blend to rehydrate, soften and smooth the skin. The exquisite blend of Japanese camellia oil, argan and hip oils to improve the sensation of suppleness and elasticity within the skin. Readily absorbed, a creative blend of oils aimed to prevent the formulation of stretch marks. This lightweight oil can be used on nails and scalp, condition the hair. Wow, that is certainly interesting indeed. So it's a basic all-rounder, isn't it? Let's just open this up and have a little sneaky peek. I absolutely love this brand. I think I already have this product. A little while ago I got sent a few products by Doctor's Formula to try out, and I've got this in my cupboard. I've got a few bits from their collection in my cupboard that they sent me, and I've been scared to use them because they're so expensive, and I like bougie products and I don't want to touch them. But recently, since I did my water challenge, drink 1 gallon of water a day, I will link the video up there, by the way. My skin broke out because it was like detoxing, and I have been using the Marine Collagen collection, and I must say I'm quite impressed. But yes, now I have 2 of these. I need to get out of the mindset like, oh my god, put it on a pedestal and never use it. It needs to be used. It's a good product. Well, we'll soon see when I start using it. But yes, I need to start using these, but I can't wait to try this out and spoil my skin. The fourth product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Grace and Stella, and it's argan oil. It's 100 mils that you get in here, which is a full size product. It has a value of £26. This is penultimate step in your pamper routine that's going to last you for up to a month of love and beyond. It's argan oil. It works miracles for hair, eliminating frizziness, scalp flaking and split ends. Cold pressed and ready to rejuvenate the hair, beard or dry skin, stretch marks and more. Best part, it's literally 100% argan oil, no added nasties. So yeah, it just says apply 1 to 2 drops to your brows, lashes, hair, face, cuticles for a deep hydration whenever suits. Yeah, that actually sounds awesome. Again, I love Grace and Stella. We generally get the same kind of beauty products by this brand in beauty boxes. Never received this one before, so that is awesome. I'm just gonna open this up because it's sealed good and proper. Right, let's get in here. Ooh, this feels bougie. So yeah, we have a lovely glass bottle. This is the top. I'm going to open it because I love using hair stuff straight away. And then we have a pipette, and then the squeezy bit here is just in the lid. Ooh. I can't smell anything, my nose isn't really working at the minute, but yes, I can't wait to try that out. Lovely jubbly. Fifth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Beautynique, and it's Great Lengths Mascara. It's a full size product, has a value of £17. It just says no final makeup look is complete with a coat of mascara, and with the mob wife era on the doorstep, the bigger the better. We picked this one because it's intensely volumizing and includes nourishing ingredients such as jojoba oil, castor oil and rich in vitamin E to strengthen and maximize the strength of your lashes. Plus, the oversized brush is designed to grip and coat each hair from root to tip, ensuring each lash is separated, defined and evenly coated for a striking false lash look. There's the brush. That is plastic spiky brush. I love ones like that, absolutely love it. Yeah, I am gonna have to try this out. My mascara I'm using at the minute is just gone a bit dry and crusty. I do need to get a new mascara out my drawer, and I think this might be the next one to try, maybe. Nice. Hey guys, so this is the February RoccaBox. This edit is called Love. What do you think? Personally, I think this box is absolutely fantastic. The brands in it are amazing. The products, apart from the mascara, which I'm sure I've received in 1 or 2 other beauty box brands before, the other products you don't necessarily get constantly in other beauty boxes, so it's nice to get things that are different. I feel that RoccaBox is, over the last few months, is getting better and better, which is fabulous news, because in my eyes, a little while ago, that was in trouble. They were in dire straits because the products weren't very good. But yeah, the last few months, especially this box, is amazing. I am so happy with this box. So super happy to start testing these products out. But what do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Do you get this box? Again, there's a link down there. I'll pop it in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click. If you're not already subscribed, it'll get you 25% off the first box. Yeah, I'm going to conclude this video here. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.